Red deer. The red deer is the largest native land mammal in the British Isles and one of the most iconic and widely recognized deer species in the entire world. It is found across a vast range that stretches from the Atlantic coastlines of Western Europe through Central Asia and into parts of Northern Africa, making it one of the most broadly distributed large deer species on the planet. The male red deer, known as a stag, carries one of the most impressive sets of antlers of any deer species, with a large, mature stag growing a complex branching rack that can span over 1 meter in width and weigh several kilograms. These antlers are shed and regrown every single year in a remarkable biological process, with each successive set typically becoming larger and more complex as the stag ages and reaches its physical prime. The red deer is perhaps most famous for its autumn rut, a dramatic and noisy breeding season during which stags roar, clash antlers, and compete intensely for the right to mate with groups of females called hinds. The deep, resonant roaring of a red deer stag echoing across a misty Scottish Highland landscape is one of the most stirring wildlife sounds in all of Europe and draws thousands of visitors to the Scottish Highlands every autumn.
Reindeer. The reindeer is the only deer species in the world where both the male and the female regularly grow antlers, a characteristic that is unique among all living deer and makes it immediately distinctive from every other member of its family. Found across the Arctic and subarctic regions of Northern Europe, Russia, and North America, where the same animal is called a caribou, the reindeer is supremely adapted to life in some of the coldest and most extreme environments on Earth. Its large, wide hooves act as natural snowshoes that spread the animal's weight across soft snow and also function as paddles for swimming across icy rivers during the enormous seasonal migrations that caribou undertake across the North American tundra. Reindeer have a remarkable ability to detect food buried beneath deep snow, using a sensitivity to ultraviolet light that allows them to locate patches of lichen and moss that are invisible to the human eye. They have been domesticated by indigenous peoples of the Arctic, including the Sami of Scandinavia, for thousands of years and continue to provide milk, meat, transportation, and materials essential to survival in these remote northern communities.
Fallow deer. The fallow deer is one of the most visually distinctive and widely introduced deer species in the world, immediately recognizable by its spectacular spotted coat that it retains throughout the year, unlike most other deer species which lose their spots after the first few months of life. Originally native to the Mediterranean region and parts of the Middle East, the fallow deer has been introduced by humans to every inhabited continent over the past 2,000 years, initially by the Romans, who kept them in large enclosures called vivaria for meat and display. The male fallow deer carries uniquely shaped antlers that are palmate, meaning the upper portion broadens dramatically into a wide, flat, shovel-like blade with multiple small tines projecting from the outer edges, a shape that is quite different from the branching rack antlers of most other deer species. Fallow deer come in 4 recognized color varieties, including the common spotted form, a darker melanistic form, a very pale cream form, and a pure white form, all of which can occur naturally within a same wild population.
Moose. The moose is the largest member of the deer family in the world and one of the most immediately recognizable large animals in the entire northern hemisphere. A large adult male moose, called a bull, can stand nearly 2 meters tall at the shoulder and weigh over 700 kilograms, making it taller than most horses and heavier than many small cars. It is found across the boreal forests and wetlands of northern North America, Scandinavia, and Russia, where it is called an elk. The bull moose carries the most massive antlers of any living animal, with a large individual growing a palmate rack that can span over 2 meters from tip to tip and weigh as much as 35 kilograms.
Despite its enormous size, the moose is an exceptionally capable swimmer, readily entering lakes and rivers to feed on aquatic vegetation and capable of diving to depths of several meters to reach underwater plants. Its long legs and high shoulder hump allow it to wade through deep snow and cross fast-moving rivers with relative ease. The muntjac deer is one of the oldest deer species alive today, with fossil records showing that its ancestors were present in Asia over 35 million years ago, making it far older as a lineage than most other deer species. Native to South and Southeast Asia, the Reeves muntjac was introduced to Woburn Abbey in England at the beginning of the 20th century and has since escaped and spread across most of England and Wales, where it is now the most numerous deer species and is classified as an invasive species. The muntjac is a small, stocky deer standing only about 45 centimeters tall at the shoulder, with short, simple spike or Y-shaped antlers in the male and prominent facial glands below each eye that give it a distinctive appearance. Unlike most deer, which breed seasonally, the muntjac is capable of breeding throughout the entire year, which has contributed significantly to its remarkable population expansion across Britain. It produces a loud, sharp bark when alarmed, earning it the nickname the barking deer across much of its native Asian range.